A pillar of fire at night and confused Russian troops. It has some asking, are Ukrainians receiving heavenly help?
There's some miracle happened. It looked like some spaceship, like there was like an attack from the spaceship.
It was like a UFO or something. We've never seen anything like it. Just a brilliant flash of lightning in the sky, just taking over the whole sky.
There was some kind of a lightning was starting shooting from the sky, and like sparks were like spreading everywhere.
A group of Russian tanks were supposedly wiped out by a mystery UFO attack after the families of trapped Ukrainian soldiers prayed to God to offer their troops some help.
And then on the morning, they discovered that the whole machinery was destroyed.
Yeah, it is bizarre.
And then the next morning, they woke up and they said all the equipment from the Russians was destroyed.
UFO attacks on Russian tanks, if only.
Although in this case, God is real and UFOs are real, as the Pentagon has confirmed.
Да.
Снял. Рот открой. Да. Да. А вы откуда знаете, что там? Вот я это снял. Рот открой. Да. Слышь, короче, ты не езди никуда. Будь сегодня... Слышь, далеко летят осколки, мне кажется.
Я хотел. Сейчас. Жди волну. Жди его. Сейчас еще сильнее будет жди. Да.